When laying down your subfloor, you have two options. A tailor-made panel subfloor like Drycore, or you can do it yourself from scratch with plywood boards. I'm going to tell you why I use Drycore every single time. Simplicity and space. Let's tackle simplicity first. Plywood is big and heavy. Comes in 4x8 sheets. I've installed a few floors in my day, and those things are a pain. Drycore comes in 2x2 panels, and they're light. You can haul these things around. You don't have to worry about cutting them down to get them in the basement. The tongue and groove fit means they don't split or come apart. It makes getting your subfloor in and down a whole lot simpler and faster. The second big benefit of Drycore is space. Basement space comes at a premium. Now, if you put down plywood, you need to put down your own vapor barrier, some foam insulation, some 2x2 sleepers or joists. Now, all of that adds up to about 2 to 5 inches that you lose in height. Unless you've got an abnormally high basement ceiling, trust me, that makes a difference. Drycore subfloor houses insulation, a capillary break, thermal break, a vapor barrier, and a tough-as-nails secondary layer in 1 inch of thickness. That's why I use it every single time. It's faster to install, and you have a larger room at the end of it. Drycore. Don't build without it.